Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will add subscription product in our WooCommerce website through plugin. Before starting work, it's my request please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So here you see plugin and click on add new. So we will add subscription plugin for WooCommerce. Right here subscription for WooCommerce and then click on search. Now here you see subscription for WooCommerce. Click on install and now click on activate and plugin is active now, so refresh the page. So here you see make web better. When you hover on it you see subscription for WooCommerce, so click on it. Sometimes they show pop-up when you click on it, so you can skip that pop-up if you want. So this is plugin overview and this is general setting. So click on general setting and here you see enable disable subscription. So you can enable this, check this box to enable the subscription. You can add button text, add to cart text to change your text. You can add place order text. Use this option to change place order button text. Use this option to change the add to cart button text if you want. And you can enable this option if you want to enable this option to allow the customer to cancel the subscription. So you can click on it and click on save setting. So our setting is saved now. Now here you see subscription table, click on it. So here you see subscription ID, parent order ID, status, product name, recurring amount, username, next payment date. So when someone get your product subscription, so our records show here with product name, ID and recurring amount with username. So now we are going to add a new product, subscription product in our website. So here you see product, click on add new. So add new product section is open. So you can write your product name here like product 1. You can add your product name. You can select product category if you want like t-shirt, and you can add product image. Click on set product image. You can upload image from your system or you can add image from media library like this. Select image and click on select product image. So you can add description also according to your requirement. So here you can add price for this product like $10, and here you see subscription. Click on this. So now you see this subscription setting are enabled after clicking this. So click on this and you can add subscription per interval if you want like week, month, and subscription expiry interval if you want like 12 months. So after 12 months subscription will expire auto, and you can add initial sign up fees like $100, and also if you want you can add free trial interval time like 10 days or 15 days if you want. You can fill this according to your requirement, and we set this regular price product and we add subscription for this product. Now click on publish. So our product is published now. Now you can open it in new tab. Now here you see our product is shown. This is our product 1, and price is $10 per month for 12 months. After 12 months this subscription will expire auto, and initial sign up fees is $100 and product per month fees is $10. So you can change according to your requirement, and also you can change add to cart text in subscription for WooCommerce setting like in general setting. Like here I add sub and click on save setting, and now you can refresh the page. Here you see sub, so you can change this button text according to your requirement. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.